All right, let's do it. Let's do it. We got some green today, boys. We got some green. Yes, yes, we finally got some green. This is too good to be true. This is too good to be true. All right, what do we got today? What do we got today, boys? We got some fun stuff. So for everyone who was saying, "Oh, Brandon, don't buy Mora yesterday," I got killed. I bought it yesterday during the market open, a small position, and then it went down 18% after hours. I loaded. I actually sold all my, well, not all my. I sold almost all my. I sold all my JMIA, and yeah, I sold all my JMIA. Took profits on that, and then sold a little bit of BioNano to load the boat on Mora, and I actually ended up making a profit on that. I actually just sold out of that just before we started here. Hope it's green. Yes, I do too, my friend. I hope we're green right now. The futures, everything is looking really nice. UVXY is getting killed. All the pro shares are getting killed, which is what we want. Russell 2000 is not doing as good as it was earlier. But I'm expecting the trade for today, right now. What's up, Boomstick? What's up? I'm so excited. I'm so excited for today. Today is going to be so fucking fun. All right, but the trade for today, boys, it's going to be JMIA. JMIA, at least for me, okay? Don't do what I say. Please do your own thing. But this is what I'm trying to trade right now. What I got is I found we got the 200-day EMA right here. It's sitting at 22.39. It's on the weekly, right? This is the weekly EMA, not the daily, the weekly. We got to bounce off that yesterday, kind of, and I'm trying to load. I'm trying to get back into JMIA because here's the thing, guys. Yes, I took profits yesterday on this. Here's the thing. I loaded my average like in the 18s, bro. I mean, it went up 37% from highs real quick. So it was just a little too far too fast. So that's where I took profits. I took profits way above the open of this red candle. Now I'm trying to get back in. And just as I put these buy limit orders, it started pushing up. Like literally, it was right here. And then it just started going up right now. But I'm trying to get some of these orders in. I really wanted to go to 21. Or wait, no, not 21. Wait, I think it's at, wait, let me see. Let me see where the EMA is at here. So the EMA is at 22.39. So that's where I got. That's roughly where I got some of my buy orders. So 22.39 is gonna be right about there. Yeah, I want to see 22.39. I want to see us bounce and hold that level though for JMIA. And if the Nasdaq goes green today, if the Nasdaq bounces today, JMIA is gone. Probably JMIA is gone. JMIA is going to be up 10-20% today if the Nasdaq goes like 1-2% green. All right, boys. What do we got? What do we got? I feel like the Nasdaq will bounce for these days, but then carnage again. Maybe. All right, I want to check the Nasdaq. I want to do some TA for the little Nasdaq here. All right, so basically we're in this level of support right now. It's 100% entirely possible that we keep bleeding to the 200-day EMA, or it's entirely possible that we bounce up just like plenty of the times in the past. Like, look at this, all right? We got plenty of closes. We got 2 closes in a row here, and then we started going higher. That could easily happen right now. Easily. We could easily still be in short-term a bull market, right? Easily. And we are still making a higher low. You guys forget. Everyone's like, oh, we're in a bear market now. Oh, no. All right, microscopically, yes, but actually, even a midterm viewpoint, right? If you're a swing trader, Nasdaq has made 3 higher lows in a row, right? Here's your first low, here's your second, here's your third, right? As long as we are at least somewhat on this ascending level, it's still going to be higher lows. So, you know, will you be covering BNGO earnings? That's an amazing question, my friend. I'm so glad you asked that. All right, so I want everyone right now, this is a quick plug, but it's an important one. I'm wearing a suit for this, so you know it's it's real. All right, upcoming live streams on the homepage of my channel. Go to the BNGO earnings live, set your reminder, get ready for this. This is going to be a damn fun time. It's going to be a damn good time. It's going to be a great time. I want to see everyone there. I want our view count to kill the other 2 BNGO YouTubers. No disrespect to them. All right, I respect them, but we're gonna beat them out of the park. It's gonna be an amazing time. It's gonna be so fun. That second vaccine hits hard. I think it could be a green day. It definitely could be a green day. I mean, we are oversold. I mean, we know the Nasdaq is going to bounce one of these days. We don't know when, but we are definitely way more oversold and overbought. This sell-off is absolutely. There's no reason justifying this sell-off. There's nothing, so it's going to be a bounce, and I don't think there's the only thing that can perpetualize this is headwinds like inflation or JP, something crazy like that, man, something crazy. Brandon, I need to make $25K a year off stocks to be able to pay off college each year. Do you think it's able? Well, that depends on your account size, my friend. If you have $1,000, good luck making $25K a year. But if you have like a couple $100,000, yeah, you can make $25K a year. But here's the thing: what's the contingency? Bull market. That's what it is. Or you can just flip to being a bear whenever we get bear market. If that ever happens, it will happen eventually. All right, we can't have a bull market for our whole lives. All right, but for this year, for the next couple months, we could be looking good. Chris Sane made a video yesterday saying BNGO is going to keep getting hit hard due to inflation. All right, so I don't know if you're viewed as my friend. Good morning, my friend. It's great to see you. But I don't know if y'all, I don't know what these people are thinking, but why do some people think BNGO is going to get hit harder disproportionately because of inflation? Like, no, if inflation comes, everyone's going to get hit hard equally, except the stocks that benefit from it, like Mara, right? God, dude, Bitcoin is still dropping and Mara is actually recovering just because high growth is getting some sort of life bounced into it. So I took profits on Mara. I'm going to be, guys, full transparency. I am out of Mara. I have like 1 share now. Yeah, I have 1 share of Mara right now. I took profits. I'm out. I want this to dip more. I want Bitcoin. All right, here's the thing. I love Bitcoin. I want it to moon, but I also want it to see that 21. Well, actually, we already technically saw the 21 SMA. What am I talking about? I was going to see the 21 SMA, but I wanted to dip a little more. You know, I just really want a good entry point on Bitcoin. And of course, if you want to, I think there's something different this time called institutional adoption, but I'm not going to do the Bitcoin rant this early. All right, I'm going to lose half the viewers, right? So BNGO is up 3% pre-market. Jumia, god damn it, Jumia, stop going. I'm trying to get my buy limits filled. Man, right when I put these in, literally right when I put these in, they were right next. Now it's gone, right? I love it. I love it. This is gonna be a good day. This is gonna be a fun day, boys. This is gonna be a good one. All right, don't let me forget the open. Opens in 9 minutes. All right, we got a lot of stuff. We got to go over some of this crap again. Economic calendar. Let me see. Okay, yeah, so the jobless claims. That's right. So jobless claims, we underperformed again, which is what we want. Yeah, jobless claims. So, yeah, this is what we're looking at here. So we guys, in the future, we want job numbers to be bad short term for the stimulus and the Fed coddling us. We want for the high growth short term, right? We can't perpetually have the markets pumping money, right? Brenner go burr, BNGO go burr, right? We can't have that forever, but we want them to do that short term at least. BIOL down pre-market. Wow, that's weird. Make me want to buy. Come on, BIOL, stop playing with my feelings. Come on. We had the falling wedge pattern. We had the bullish price target, and then you decided to confirm the breakdown. 2 daily closes. Perfect rejection, basically, on that descending level. Damn it. Damn you, BIOL. Come on. AGTC. AGTC is an interesting one, man. AGTC, it's up yesterday. However, it's gotten absolutely annihilated. And this is one that's really interesting to me at these levels. It's a really interesting stock at these levels, right? God, look at the daily EMA. You hate to see that. That is what you hate to see right there. That is not very bullish whatsoever. Look at that weekly. Weekly's even more ugly. Look at those moving averages coming down. You hate to see it. Not necessarily a horrible thing that the company was bad, was valued higher earlier. Not necessarily, but it probably is. Let's be honest. Like what caused the fall. Something that you need to know. So yeah. Been calling AMC for days. What's AMC doing? What's it doing today? Is it going? AMC 5%. Oh, come on. It's up 5%. Why does the AMC crowd get crazy when it's up 5%? I mean, that's great. Congratulations. But I thought you were like really, you were trying to hype it up there, Howard. Congrats, though. 5% is great. 5% is nothing to be complaining about, but it's up 7% 2 days. AMC people are crazy. But congrats. That's good. That's more than BNGO, right? BNGO is down 7% in 1 day, right? Oh, man. AGTC needs a healthy run. It does, but there's no interest in AGTC, which is what scares me. There's no interest in the stock. There's no interest in the company. Like, there's less interest in BNGO and volume than Bio Nano. Of course, it will run a little bit if high growth gets a kick. Let's be honest, everything you put your money into is going to run if the Nasdaq bounces. Let's be honest, which is what could be happening right now. It could be happening. UVXY is still going down. Russell 2000 is holding in the pre-market. We got 6 minutes till open. 6 minutes till open. Get ready for a green day, boys. Not really. I'm not calling a green day, but we'll see. I'm heavily in cash right now. Heavily in cash. I want to not be in cash. I'm trying to get Jumia, but no. Do you think Mara will get pulled down with Bitcoin potentially dropping further? Here's the thing, man. Mara, we've talked about this a lot. I'll try to keep this short to keep some of my viewers, right? Because we have more than the normal 0 viewers. All right, so Mara is already gotten killed. It's already disproportionately been hit, all right? Because this is a high growth stock. It's 2x the volatility of Bitcoin, but basically the fundamental reason why Mara is an amazing buy anywhere at these levels, anywhere, right? Long term. Bitcoin used to be here at 50K, or well, okay, no. Mara's valuation used to be here when Bitcoin was at 50K. Now Today, Bitcoin is at 50K, but Mara's valuation is way down in the dumpsters. All right, just look at the chart. Okay, Bitcoin's near all-time highs. Mara is not. Why? High growth, plus it's more volatile. So that alone gives us a very oversold RSI. We're at what, 30.76 on the daily. We're about to go into golden territory on the daily chart for Mara. That is like a once in a lifetime opportunity with Mara, literally. I mean, it is for me. I mean, yeah, look at this. Okay, look at this. We barely. Okay, and in Mara's recent past, you never see below 30. You never even see 35 on the RSI. Never. So, I mean, it's really, I only have one share right now. I took profits. I'm trying to time this one. Yeah, it's down 7% right now. I took profits when it was like, I think it was like 5% when I took profits. But hopefully it's not a bull trap today. It could be a dead cat bounce. Yeah, I'm not trying to give everyone hope here. I'm heavily in cash. All right, we're gonna be trading BNGO live today on the earnings. We're gonna be trying to time the earnings, trying to predict the earnings just for the hell of it. All right, it's gonna be a great time. It's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a great day, boys. Even if the market goes down, we're gonna suffer together. It's gonna be a fine time. I hope yesterday was a full emergency bell. Are you getting back into Mara on a dip? Yes. Yes, I am, but there's a lot of that's open to interpretation. Specifications are yet to be seen. We will see. It depends on Bitcoin's movement and the markets, and it depends on what other stuff is doing, right? If I'm going to get into JMIA, if my orders are going to fill here, which it looks like they never will, I really want to get into this because I do think the markets are. Fundamentally the markets are due for a bounce, right? It depends. I mean, you can't predict what the markets are going to do, but one of these days, the markets are going to take the head out of the ass and start pushing again because there's no reason for the sell if the market's irrational, but not this irrational typically. My experience. So yeah, JMIA, it's going to depend on Mara. It's going to depend on what we do today. There's so many possibilities for today. We're not even talking about BNGO. BNGO's up 3% pre-market. Getting rejected right now. Hate to see it right there. Let's see. We need to break. So today, let me get rid of this trend line to make it a little clearer. We need to hold above 4.95. So $4.95 we need to hold above that. What are we at right now? Oh my gosh, we're not even there yet. Damn it. We're not even there yet. BNGO needs to close the day at 496, 495 to get above the descending resistance. And we don't need to do that to go up 500% in that next week, right? Of course. Technicals don't matter long term or midterm even really. But it would be nice. It would certainly be nice. Tesla's getting a little bit of green action. That's a shock. That's a surprise. That's so rare. That's almost as rare as BNGO going green, right? Do they report after hours? Does BNGO report after hours? All right, everybody, listen up. I'm gonna do this spiel a lot. So get ready to hear this for the. You're gonna hear this 5 more times today. So the earnings today. All right. So you already know how to set your reminder, right? Set that reminder and you won't miss it. But it is after hour. It's 30 minutes after hours. So 3:30 Central Time, 4:30 Eastern Time, 2:30 Pacific Time, and 1:30 Pacific Time, 2:30 Mountain Time. Sorry, I hope you understood that. I hope I said that right. I hope I didn't forget one or said something inaccurate. But yeah, that's set your earnings reminder, boys. That's when it is. It's today after hours. UVXY is holding. Good. Kill them. I told everyone to short this yesterday. I wasn't kidding. Okay, I'm just messing. Please don't do that. But I was kidding, actually. But yeah, we needed this bad boy to go down. We need this to get killed. All I see is red. All I feel is pain. I can relate. To that very much. 2 minutes. Okay, gosh, dang, I almost forgot. Man, oh my gosh. All right. So we got a little bit of time here. Let me go ahead and add a widget here. All right, let's do it this way. All right, we're gonna do it a different way today because I think this might be better. All right, Yeah, let's just do it like this. That's a little bit harder for you guys to see. I don't know. We'll go back and forth. You can tell me which one you like better, the watch list view or the stocks view. And you can see the percentage gain right here. Dang, BioNano is only 2%. This was up 3% a second ago. People are getting out before the bell. All right, 20 seconds till open. 20 seconds. Here we go. Here we go. Let's do it. What's it going to be? Green or red? Predictions for today. My prediction is, I don't even want to say because it's just literally, it's 50-50. I mean, we're due for a bounce, so I want to lean towards green, but there's so much goddamn fear in the markets. All right, here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right, let's go. Let's do it right here. All right. Oh, JMIA. No, JMIA's going. JMIA's going right when I can't get my buy limit orders in. Damn it, it's running without me. No. Stop it. Stop it. No. Oh my gosh, Mara is gone. Oh, no. Mara is gone without me and JMIA's gone without me. Oh, no. No. This is the wrong thing. No. Dang it. All right, let's see what everything else is doing. Oh my gosh. High growth just gets one glimpse of green and everything goes up 10%. It's crazy. We'll see how I wouldn't be surprised if BioNano starts running here in a second based on what Mara is doing. All right, and oh my god, Nasdaq up 1%. UVXY is getting killed. Holy crap. All right, this is pretty sweet. But here's the thing, we're right at that level. All right, so that's pretty damn scary. We're right at the SNDL level. We're actually kind of above it. We're actually we're actually above it. Sorry, my eyes are not that good. We're actually above the SNDL level, which is very bullish, very bullish. Especially considering the exact position is based on an exact validation, so that is likely to be where exactly it is, and we're above that right now. Hopefully, the Nasdaq can hold. If it does, that's amazing. All right, so I'm about to play the breakout. I think I'm conflicted, but I think we're about to actually buy more higher, which I did not want to do, but I think I may have to. We'll see. Hopefully we can get something. Hopefully there's something else that we can do today as far as trades. So Medica. There's not really. Oxygen is running a little bit. SENS finally green. BIOL is gone. All right, let's see. Yeah, Mara is gone. Mara is gone, man. See, I told you guys yesterday if the Nasdaq goes green today, I wouldn't be surprised if Mara does as well. And that was when Mara was down 18% after hours, after going down 10% of the day, and that's when I was loading. Obviously, in hindsight, wish I held a little bit. Could have made a couple extra percentages, but better safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. You can't get them all. Can't win them all, boys. I'll tell you what, I'll check out the request at the end of the stream. Yeah, for sure, my friend. But right now we got green and we got UVXY is still going down. Love it, man. But this thing went up 26% yesterday, so this is going to be a little skewed, I would say. Let's check the volume. So JMIA is getting a ton of volume. God damn, JMIA, fill my orders. It's literally just going up without me. Damn, JMIA. Oh. We want BNGO to close above 495. 495, 496. That's the goal for today. 495. $4.95 for the ape language. Let's check the markets. We're gone. The Nasdaq is gone. Let's check this. Man, God, I feel so bad. I hate to see Mara run without me. Technically, I have one share, so it's like, well, I am in. Technically, not really, though. Let's see where we can maybe get a retracement here. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. Let's see if we can get a little retracement. All right, so your retracement is going to be all the way down to 21. Oh, man. It's not looking great. It's not looking great for me and Mara. Mara, I may have to let you go. It's an abusive relationship. Man. Let's see what everything's doing. Let's see what Doge is doing. Basically the exact same chart as Bitcoin. Exact same chart. It's weird that Doge got hit pretty much just, well, I guess it didn't get as hard as Bitcoin did, but still, God, this thing got killed. Man. And that's because obviously the Elon Musk thing was only about the green energy, right? That he didn't criticize. He actually basically praised everything, but every crypto but Bitcoin. Essentially, that's what he did. And Bitcoin doesn't give a fuck, right? As I kind of predicted, this was a huge overreact. I mean, what do we mean kind of? I literally said I had very strong opinions on this yesterday, and I still do. Elon Musk doing this is flipping on Bitcoin is absolutely retarded, and it's absolutely an overreaction. So these are still great prices. Okay, here we go. Mars down 5%. Yes. Please go down a little more. I want to get in here. Let's tell me JMIA is going down. I want to get in. Before it's too late. I've got too much buying power right now. I'm like I'm 50% in buying power right now. This is not good at such an undervalued level. This was just a short-term thing. I'm not trying to stay like this. All right, so let me look at the 1 minute. I'm going to get a little bit of a retracement here. All right, so I'm going to try. We're going to have to go with the 1 minute here. I'm going to try to get 2163. All right, we're going to do a little bit of an order here. We're going to do 30. I think we're going to do 30 shares. Yeah, we're going to do actually. Yeah, we're going to go with 30 shares for now. Hopefully that fills. And of course, if the Nasdaq goes down, all these orders are going to be screwed. So please don't mistake me. Don't mistake it. I'm fine with holding the bag if the Nasdaq goes down short term, because this stock is going to go to $100 end of the year most likely. All right, JMIA, god damn, JMIA, stop going, JMIA. Dang it. JMIA, man, I had a feeling. I knew I should have just FOMO'd in a little bit, because there was such a high chance of this running today. I knew. Dang it. Better safe than sorry, boys. Don't chase it if you don't have to. Don't FOMO in if you don't have. You cannot win them all. All right. How do you still have buying power low? Because I actually sold a small amount of BNGO yesterday to load on Mara, and I also took profits on all my JMIA position, which was 37% in the green as of the low 2 days ago. So that's why. And I took profits fully on JMIA. That's how. So, and I only have 3 stocks here. BIOL is the only stock that I actually have money in, right? Literally. So yeah, I'm bullish. Here's the thing, guys. If the Nasdaq is going to close, there's so many damn contingencies on this. I feel bad for saying this, but if the Nasdaq is going to hold where it is right now, and if we can see some support off 13.167, let's map that out for you exactly. 13.167. So basically about right here. So right here, basically, that's about 1% in the green. Here's the thing. All right, just think of this. Ape language. I figured the math out for you. I'm a genius. Oh, my more order just got partially filled. Let's go. Let's fucking go. All right, but 1%. The Nasdaq needs to hold above 1% today. All right, 1%. Let's go. I thought you were loading the bow on BNGO. That's a good point. Yes, I am loading the bow on BNGO. I'm actually going to be loading on that before earnings today, during earnings today. Yeah, we're actually going to be, I think I'm going to be trading during the earnings report if I can. It's going to be fun. I don't know. It's going to be fun. I got a ton of buying power to load, though. I'm actually more bullish on BNGO's earnings after someone sent me some some CEO action, I'll just say. But I don't know if it's 100% true. It's from a reliable source, I would say. But anyways, yeah. It's BNGO quarterly report out. No, man. Go to the channel right now, please. I know this is the second time I'm saying this. I know. I told you I was going to say this a ton. Set your damn reminder for the upcoming live stream, BNGO earnings live. It's going to be a great time. I'm going to wear a suit. All right. I don't wear suits very often. It's gonna get serious. It's a serious day. It's going to be great. It's at 3:30 Central Time, 4:30 Eastern Time, and blah blah yada yada. 2:30 Mountain, 1:30 Pacific. After market, it's 30 minutes after the market closes, right? All right, so Mara, let's check Mara here. All right, so we're 31 shares, we're in. All right, let's see if this dips a little more. Let's see if we can get down to the 5-minute retracement here. Let's see if we can. 21.25, that's roughly what we're going to get to. I don't know. Mara is so goddamn weird right now. It's literally just trading like a stock on its own. It's not even following Bitcoin, really, it seems like. I mean, I could be wrong on that because I've not really been paying attention to Bitcoin's 1-minute chart here, but it has not been following it in the pre-market, that's for sure. All right. So BIOL is cooling down. Nasdaq is gone. Oh my gosh. So much energy and excitement. You should play some hype music in the background. Ha 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 ha. Oh man, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm trying to be more loud and excited today because not only is it a great day, but I also watched Trey's trades and I saw that man's energy and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try to do that a little bit more. Also, it's because the mic I have here, whatever. You don't want to hear my ranting about my weird excitements and goals. I don't fucking know. All right. Maybe Animal and Me by I don't know that. So my friend, I don't know pop culture. I don't know popular stuff. I only know metal and rock. That's it. I'm a metalhead, my friend. I don't know stuff. I don't know music stuff. I'm so scared to see my portfolio. BNGO, no, wrong way, buddy. This is actually not bad though, because I actually want to add more. If we keep dipping here, I will actually add. All right, let me see if we can find a support here, or if I'm just gonna have to add randomly. All right, let me see here. Okay, so we're at the 1 hourly retracement right there. Let's check the 2 hourly. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. On the 2 hourly, we're breaking down the I don't like that. All right, I'm here. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be conservative. I'm gonna set it right about here. We're gonna add, I don't know. We're gonna add a small amount. We're gonna add right there. What, 40 shares? 40 shares. Nothing big. We're just easing in. We're easing in BioNano right now. Most of the heavy trading today is gonna come later today. All right, because this is what I'm expecting. I am expecting some Detroit Rock City. Yeah, that would be sweet. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. How are you today? It's a great day. Yeah, Kiss music would be pretty. I actually saw Kiss not a month ago, goddamn, like a year ago. I'm actually doing better than yesterday. Yeah, I think we all are at this point, but the markets are dumping. The markets are dumping, and the support we need to hold is right about where we are. So it's going to be really cool. And this is kind of your sign. This is one way of seeing if we're going to confirm the breakout here off that ascending level, which is right now. I mean, if you want to call it support or resistance, just depends on if you would define a confirmed breakdown happening or not, which I would say we're finding out right now if this is a confirmed breakdown or if this is a hold and a bounce. Because so many times we bounce off the ascending level, we actually try to confirm the breakout and it's a fake out. Oh, Nasdaq. All right, here we go. This is it. Where we are right now. All right, this chart is a little delayed. Just look at this. Okay, look at this, and then look at this number right here. All right, so we need to hold right about roughly right there. We need to get a bounce off this level, otherwise we may confirm the breakout and breakdown. I mean, and yeah, that could be very bearish, or we could get 2 daily closes and then go to a new high and break all-time highs like we have done before. So it's not really a concrete thing. Like if we confirm the breakdown here, I'm not selling everything. If we do confirm if we don't bounce off the support though, I will tell you what, I'm not going to be as excited or adding as much shares today though. That's damn sure. Are we going up to $7? $7. I don't want to say $7, man. I don't know. We'll see. I think we can't. I think we definitely can't. Oh, Nasdaq is. Oh, damn it. Come on, Nasdaq. This is your last chance. Right now, we're right here. Come on, buddy. Come on. Bounce. I want to add today. I want this to be a fun day. Come on. Come on. Stop going down. Bounce. Come on. Make the stocks go up, Brandon. I'm trying to make the stocks go up. In a few years, we will. Lol. I think we're going to get to my earnings speculation. You're going to hear my earnings speculation later, so I won't even tell you now because I want to keep you in the dark for now. I want you to be curious, but I got some cool information for earnings, and how I'm going to trade earnings is going to be awesome, I think, if I do. I shouldn't say if I will. What's up, man, Pete? How are you doing, my friend? How are you doing? It's a great day. More green candles, please, sir. All right, let me order that up. Nasdaq, come on, let's fucking go. Good up there, buddy. That's my attempt at making the Nasdaq get more green candles for you, Havana. That's my attempt. All right, let's see what everything else is doing. Let's see how Bitcoin's doing. All right, here we go. Mars down again. Yes. And Bitcoin's going up. So weird. All right, I'm adding here. Let's see if I can get in on this previous low. Hopefully, it's probably not going to fill. It's probably going to start running now that I start paying attention to it. Yeah, let's do 20 shares. I'm so bullish on Bit. I'm not scared of adding to Mara at all, because this thing. Here's the thing about Mara. If inflation is crazy, Mara's a play. Mara's an insurance against that, because it's going to be correlated to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's going to benefit massively if there's crazy inflation, my friends, massively. 7 is possible, but if we do, it'll more likely be tomorrow pre-market. Not necessarily. It just depends on what Eric says. Oh, we just got filled. All right, let's go. All right, let's check those bands. Let's see the next retracement level if we're gonna retrace more. Okay, all right, so it looks like it's right here on the 30-minute. Let's see if we break this one. I wouldn't be surprised if we actually hold this, because the Nasdaq and Bitcoin seem to be holding right now. So the Nasdaq's kind of iffy though. Nasdaq is literally iffy. Nasdaq is playing with my feelings right now. But yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more. I think I'm gonna chill out. I'm gonna chill out adding on Mara for now. So yeah, we'll see how these trades do. We'll see how these trades age. Hopefully not bad. All right, 2084. Damn it, it's just running every time. It just runs right before I put the order in. It's so funny. All right, what do we got? Damn. All right, Jumia's coming back down. All right, let's go. Eon did a number on crypto. Yeah, it did. I'm good, man. Yes, positive sentiment in the market today. Yep. Bitcoin's still down, though. Yeah, I know. That's what's crazy. More has been disproportionately hit, and Bitcoin's actually been climbing these last few minutes. We were just at 49K pre-market. More has been climbing, and now it's going down with Bitcoin rising. More has been so weird. Here's the fact with Mora. Get as many shares as you can under 30, in my opinion, because this thing is going to follow Bitcoin on the road to $100,000 a share easily. I think that's what's going to happen. So, yeah. All right. BioNano holding it pretty well. Jumia, let's check Jumia. Dang it, man. I hate Jumia right now. I have a love-hate relationship with this stock because I literally knew we were going to probably run in the open because the future, everything was looking so damn good. Put my orders in and they were this close to being filled. I would be fine with a day trade, honestly. How many day trades do I have left? Probably none. Okay, I have 2 day trades left. Okay, I could have made a nice day trade right there. Could have went up, what, 5% already? Or 3%? Right like that. I would be fine with taking profits right there. All right, man. I'll see you there during the earnings call. I will see you there. It's gonna be a great time, my friend. All right. Skills is up. Skills is up a fair amount. Is this more exciting when I do this? Do you guys like the hat backwards or forwards? Do you care? Probably not. You just want attendees. Everyone is here to make money. Let's be honest. No one cares about the audio. I mean, a lot of people don't care about the video, anything. They just want good picks. Which at the end of the day, that's the most important thing. Let's be honest. So, not really the picks necessarily, but just the information. I would say. I don't know. Microvision is even right now. It's weird. Let's check Microvision out. So Microvision has just been trading sideways in this weird little wedge. If we go to the 4-hourly, we might have a little bit of a triangle here. Not really. No, not really. Actually, I mean, there's a little bit of a descending resistance here, right about something like this. What do you have? What? 1, 2 here. If we make that go down a little bit, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4-ish touch points, and you have kind of a false breakout there, kind of. So, I mean, yeah, you do have a little bit of a descending triangle here. So, and the support was rising until, this and this. So, yeah, this is a little bit of a descending triangle. So I would love if this could dump to the downside. If the price target is actually true here, which I do not expect it is, just because technicals like this on the 4-hourly chart, not going to come to fruition as often as the daily or something more concrete, right? But the price target way down there at $10, that's not happening. But if you see like $12, $11 on Microvision, I may have to add for Microvision. Myers is down. Myers is up actually. AGTC is still down. Wow. All right, AGTC is still getting killed in that level of support right now. This is a potential buy zone for AGTC, in my opinion. Easily. Well, if you've done your due diligence on the company and are okay holding, because what can kill this company is no interest or hype or volume, right? Jumia just flipped red. All right, let's come down to my order. Is the Nasdaq bleeding right now? Oh no, this is not good. This is not good. All right, I may just have to cancel some orders right now. Oh no. No. Stop it. Wrong way. All right, I'm going to have to cancel one of these orders on Jumia if I can in time. I'm just going to move this down a little bit for now because it could be a false breakdown. Damn it. Yeah, guys, all right. I'm not trying to freak the markets out, but I'm just saying Nasdaq we are having we just confirmed the breakdown in at least one sense. UVXY is still getting killed. Russell 2000 is up really nicely today. Really nicely. Love to see it. Dow and S&P. When the Dow and S&P start crossing the Nasdaq, that's never a good sign. Never a good sign. What do you call it? What was that? So for Jumia here, yeah, this could be a very bad sign. I might have to cancel all my buy orders if the Nasdaq keeps going down here, because it's looking like we are confirming the breakdown. Look at this. We just had a false wick up. Now we are below the ascending level again, and it's not like this ascending level is just coming from nowhere. Look at the validations here. Perfect validation there. Nice validations there. Perfect validation here, and here. I mean, this is pretty validated and perfect positioning for this level. So this is very scary. This is very scary. Yeah, we're getting carnage again. Yeah, everybody be careful. This is why I've had, a ton of buying power right now. This is why I did take a lot of profits yesterday, or cut losses a little bit. Oh, BIOL's red. Ooh, BIOL's red. Oh, that hurts. That's like a slap to the face right there. Just slap that ass on BioNano. Ha ha ha. It's too funny. Too funny. All right, JMIA. Oh man, I'm so scared. I'm so scared that it was going to be such a good day. Now the Nasdaq is like, yeah, we'll see about that. Such an easy and fluent false breakout here. Like, wow, we just slowly went up, slowly went back down. Nothing really fast, nothing really that clean, right? It's just, man, hate to see it. But here's the thing: we have a couple indicators on our side here. Number one indicator we have on the RSI, it's the RSI. We're on the 4-hourly, we're at 30. The daily, we're at 36. So it's not like time to sell everything now, I would say, but it's just time to realize that the Nasdaq it's trying to signal to us that we are potentially going into a bear market, but plenty of times we have had the Nasdaq do this exact thing, fake everybody out, and then go right back into a bull market. So it's like, what do you believe? What do you believe? What I believe is that have some buying power right now, but keep a lot of it in your favorite stocks. That's what I'm doing. I still have, how many shares I have in BioNano? 679. That's actually low. I actually want to get that higher today. I'm going to get that higher before earnings, most likely, because I'm so damn bullish on earnings. We're going to get into my earnings expectations. We're BioNano in depth, my friends. So, all right, so it looks like Mara is recovering pretty nicely right now. So it looks like that may be the bottom. Let's check the retracement here. So 5 minute, 1 minute, we absolutely got obliterated. 5 minute, we got obliterated. And then the 30 minute. So 30 minute looks like that's the one that we may hold. The 21 SMA on the 30 minute chart for the bands here. I'm going to go eat my feelings. Put some Lord of the Rings on while you're at it. It'll make you feel better. Or Star Wars, whatever you like. I'm actually doing Star Wars right now. Yep. I can't watch Phantom Menace, though. I have to fast forward the races and the Anakin as a boy. I love him, but it's so damn boring for me. Oh, man. Revenge of the Sith and Attack of the Clones are great, though. I'll watch both of those full. Nasdaq is trying. It's trying its best, man. The Nasdaq just doesn't have the strength for it. Oh, man. Yeah, BNGO, it looks like everything is kind of bouncing a little bit because the Nasdaq is showing a little bit of strength, and everyone's like, oh, it's not over yet, and every time, here's the thing, guys, in a situation like this, when the Nasdaq goes up a ton and then dumps, everyone is like, there's a lot of people that freak the fuck out. They're like, all right, it's done, I'm out, you got to cut losses, it's over. They overreact, and then when we start seeing life again, they're like, oh, it's not over yet. So then a lot of them are, buying back in. At least some people do that, I think. Who knows exactly what all the transactions are going on, but so it looks like Bitcoin is still pushing a little bit. I want to look at Bitcoin, the actual chart here. Look at this, man. Look at this. Perfect validation of that 21 SMA on the weekly. So aka middle Bollinger Band. So it would be very I don't want to say it's very likely, but it is likely that we continue the bull market after we get a bounce off that. How many times do you see the 21 SMA just in the past act as a support and then, go boom, go burr after that, right? That's just what happens a lot of the time. And Bitcoin, obviously, you guys know how I think about Bitcoin fundamentally. It's going to inevitably be taking over, essentially. So it looks like the Nasdaq is still going right now. Here's the thing: we're about to get rejected. If we get rejected right here, about 1%, I'm literally going to sell some. I think I'm going to cancel some buy limits if we get rejected here, because that is roughly where the ascending support is. Right here, let me see exactly where it is. So yeah, it's basically, it's 13.165. We already mapped this out. So right about there, that is where, about actually a little lower. So like right there. Yeah, so actually right now, right where, okay, looks like we're breaking out actually. Okay, finally, we're actually breaking out. God damn, why is the Nasdaq literally testing my feelings? Like, we're literally going bearish and bullish so quickly. Oh my, it's like this support is not even there. Oh my gosh, this is, I can't handle this. Oh, Like, what are we going to do? Are we going to go up or down? Pick one. Pick one. We're literally just teasing. Is this how it's going to be the next 2 days? Because I know I have known that the Nasdaq can do this. Of course, the Nasdaq doesn't have to be validated. Like, look at these ones. Okay, 2 daily closes. That's your sell signal right there. When you get that second daily close below the resistance, the previous support, and confirm it as resistance, then next day you just gap up. It's like, what? It's like, wait, what is that? So that's why that's the fundamental reason why you need to keep a little bit of your money, at least I think, in stonks right now. Stonks, emphasize the N. So yeah, that's kind of why. Yeah, let's see how Mora's doing. Okay, Mora's looking pretty damn good right now. Haha, let's go. Mora, keep going. Mora is my baby right now. Why do we have no viewers today? Is the thumbnail bad? Real quick, can I? This is irrelevant, but really quick, why is the thumbnail bad? It's a really experimental one. I like the meme though. Lord of the Rings, Boromir. Not many people get the reference. Probably that's probably why no one clicks on it. But I thought that the thumbnail was pretty cool. BioNano's going. JMIA is going. Mora is going. It's looking amazing right now. When the Nasdaq is, oh my gosh, Nasdaq is gone. Yeah, it's gone. Huge push up. Let's break highs. Here's the thing. For the Nasdaq, what I want to see, I'll get very bullish. I'm serious when I say this, but please do your own damn investor research. Please don't whine to me if you make a mistake and you expected me to be 100% right. No, I make plenty of mistakes. But if we close the day above this, you know what I'm doing with BNGO tonight? Loading. And it could be totally wrong. You could say it's a gamble, be guessing earnings. You could certainly say that. I've got a very nice case, I believe, but you could say that. But I'll be loading on some stonks later today if we close the day above the ascending level. Because here's the thing. We've already been over this like 5 times, actually. I'm not going to bore you again with the more details. But this is very crucial territory for the Nasdaq. Right now, it's gone. Nasdaq is gone right now. It's all the way, almost forming a new high on the daily chart. Or the 1-day chart, I should say. So, yeah, if we close about here, let me just reiterate this for everyone. John Graham, yeah, my friend, let's go. We finally got green, let's go. But this is the level that you want to watch. If the Nasdaq closes the day, write this down, if you take one thing from this goddamn stream. If the Nasdaq closes the day above 13.165, otherwise $13,165, that is very bullish. If we close below that, that is very bearish, but potentially not really, just because we've already seen a fake out like that a couple times in the past. Here's 1, here's 2. Here's 3, kind of, right? Not really 3. So we don't do it very often when we've only got one time where we've got 2 daily closes below and we actually continued pushing. But if we did get 2 daily closes below, seriously, I mean, come on, you cannot neglect a fundamentally factual breakdown confirmation just because one data point suggests it's actually bullish, right? It's only one data point out of like 6 or 7. So, and the data points I'm talking about are every touch point on this, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that one's kind of 7 iffy. That's why I say 6 to 7. So we'll see what happens. Look, our stocks should be going right now. Not really. They're not really picking up that much. Mora's sideways. Very weird. Is Bitcoin dropping right now? No, Bitcoin is going up. This is why Mora's been so weird. It's been so weird. When Bitcoin goes up, when the Nasdaq goes up, Mora just has a mind of its own. It's gonna go up though. Honestly, if the Nasdaq closes the day green, I said this yesterday and I will say it again. And I was totally right yesterday, and this is why I made so much money yesterday. Actually, technically, I was down on Mora because I added in the during the day, but I was down like 10%. By this morning, I was even or green, and this is why. If the Nasdaq closes green today or closes where it is today, right, where it is right now, I would not be surprised if Mora flips green at least once by the end of the day, if not closes green. Okay, because this sell-off, I'm not even going to go into why, because it's like a 30-minute reason, because the news and what's happened in the past with Bitcoin's valuation and Mora being here, and nowadays it's like this. It's like, what the hell? It's going to get a bounce. It's kind of similar to BioNano, but it's got way more interest and hype. It's got sustained interest. Look at that volume on Mora compared to RIOT, right? Mora is going to beat RIOT in the long run, and RIOT is worth more right now. I think Mora is going to beat RIOT in the long run. There's no doubt. There's no doubt in my mind, man. But we'll see. Did any of my orders get filled on JMIA? Dang it. It's because I can't trade JMIA when the Nasdaq's faking us out. at least we're doing well on Mora right now, right? At least we're green on Mora. Yeah, Nasdaq is filling that green candle chart. Yes, sir. Let's go, man. Seems like lately stocks drop on earnings regardless. Yeah, we've already been through this, but yeah, my friend. Yeah. I don't know. Here's the thing. BioNano has a chance today to go up 100% and has a chance to go down 10% and 20% in the earnings, because it's going to come down to what the CEO says and what the plans are, because they have a history of giving a ton of guidance, a ton of catalysts, right? Just look at the last earnings report. They gave us a ton of catalysts. It's going to depend on the Sapphire 2.0 progress. It's going to depend on any subtle hints towards new innovations. If they, here's what I'm hoping for. I'm going to let the cat out of the bag. This is what I'm so excited for today. This is why I'm so happy. Partly, I'm more happy because the Nasdaq is green, which never happens, right? Anymore. But if the CEO drops some sort of subtle hint towards innovation in detecting, less than 500 base pair SVs or anything, right? Name your pick, right? It's all esoteric. Anything innovation in regard to making a potential addressable, a potential available market, a serviceable, obtainable market, right? Making something fanciful, realistic in their demand and supply, right? Providing something. If something like that happens and the public doesn't catch up on it because they don't do the research like we do, write a goddamn 75-page due diligence, right? Do I even have it pulled up? Okay, 78-page due diligence. If something like that happens, I will load and I will suffer short term and be rewarded long term because of what I picked up on whatever the CEO is saying. That's what I'm hoping for today. That's what I'm hoping we can add for in the. That's what I'm hoping we can do in the earnings call, right? CEO drops a subtle hint. I'm loading. I'm telling you why I'm loading. I'm giving you disclaimers, but and not really the general public doesn't really catch it in time because they don't know about BioNano. They don't do the esoteric optical genome mapping crap, right? Which we do. We're not doctors, but right now, as I'm going on this huge rant, the Nasdaq is still going. JMIA is gone. Mora is gone. This trade has been very nice today. I could go ahead and take profits right now. We're up what, $47, 3%. I have 2 day trades left. We could go ahead and sell out right now. I do not really want to get rid of one of my day trades though, unless we're actually going to be making a little bit of profit. Right now, we're only making $50. So, it's never complain when you're in the green. Never get ashamed of taking profits. But we let's be honest, you and I both know Mara has plenty of room to go. Come on. If the Nasdaq keeps going, Mara is going to be green by the end of the day. It's going to be green at one point today. I think I'll be able to sell a little higher. So BNGO is approaching that resistance. Let me know if I go on a rant here. Let me know if BioNano sees 4.95, right? $4.95, 96 cents. Let me know if I don't catch that. Let me know, because that's the resistance level. That's when we'll look at the 1 minute chart for BioNano to see if we see some resistance there. That's where the descending resistance is. And that level is even more validated than the Nasdaq level. All right, look at it. I want to show you this, guys, right now. This is why this level is so important. It has perfect resistance points going back to January 26th. It has been validated so many times, and in the recent past, not really, but this is the exact position of it. Look at these perfect validations right here. So actually, okay, never mind. I was actually wrong, kind of. It's hard to see where exactly it is, but we are so actually not really $4.95, really $4.90 to $5. So I would be really happy if we could close above 5. Sorry, I'm gonna retract my previous statement. Sorry, but if BioNano closes the day above $4.95, that's great. But we really don't even need to do $4.95. We just need to do $4.92, $4.91 to be technically above this little level here. So. Yeah, I would say 491 really. So actually, this is where we should if that's true, let's actually just look at the 1 minute chart right now, because this is right where we're going to see resistance, right? So look at that volume for BNGO. Oh, I was going to say, I was looking at it from here. I was like, oh, that's a lot. No, it's not that much. Yeah, BioNano doesn't have that much. Well, at 3 million, that's not horrible. That's not horrible, is it, for this early? $5 wall is small. There is no $5 wall. You call this a wall, my friend? That's nothing. We push through walls like that every day. Not really, but that is a wall. That is. Look at this. 147,000 shares. Yeah, that's not a ton, but it's. Look at the bulls are not even matching that. Not even close to matching that right now. But we'll see. Oh my gosh, the Nasdaq is gone, man. Nasdaq is gone. Where is Robbie Smith now? Where's Robbie Smith when you need him? Masab, what's up, my friend? Nasdaq thoughts. Here's the thoughts, and I'm going to go over this really quickly because we already have a ton, but we need to close the day above, basically the NASDAQ, we need to close the day above 1% for the NASDAQ for hope to be back in full. But hope doesn't really matter for the technicals because it's all going to be catalyst-based, most likely the next few months. There might be a few weeks here where we just trade based on the technicals because there's not going to be any important Fed news or anything, but I think the Fed talks, let's see when the Fed talks, and that's when JP is talking. Another jobless claims. Okay, here we go. So Monday, May 3rd. Wait, Monday, May 3rd. Wait, what? Okay, that's last week's. I was so confused. I was like, what? Okay, so actually next week it doesn't have anything. So actually nothing this week or next week. So that's actually good. But next time he speaks, that's kind of going to be more indicative of the markets than the Nasdaq. So I hope that answers your question, my friend. Mara's gone. See, this is why I didn't sell Mara. I could have taken profits just a second ago when we were up, what? We were up like 2%. Now we're up 4%, right? So do I want to take profits now? That is the question. I think I'm gonna hold right now. We're finally doing a day trade. Do you guys like the day trading here? We're doing day trading and swing trading. I love it. I love it. And we're actually doing well. We're actually doing well today, right? It's such a change compared to the last week. Oh man. Talk about SEC dark pool regulations. There are serious, legitimate regulations and concerns for Bitcoin and mining. I'll say that, but I don't want to go on a tangent on the whole SEC dark pool rule. I'm not that. Here's the thing, man. I don't want to go on and give strong opinions on stuff that I'm not fully aware of, okay, and not fully like immerse myself in. So I'll leave that for you, my friend. 9 more toots just bought BioNano. Yes, there was a. Here's the thing, though. I'm really confused. on Fintel.io. Fintel.io. Okay. Wow. Did you guys just see that? You probably didn't. Institutional ownership was just 6.9%, and then when I refreshed it, it was 7.11%. Now, is that because we just got a filing like just now? Okay, we actually did, I think. Wait, I don't remember. We had a ton of, when I looked at this morning before the stream, there was a ton of institutions. Someone tell me in the chat, please, someone tell me in the chat, were any of these 5 institutions, did any of these just get filed in the last 5 minutes? Or were these done? Because I think these were actually done. So Fintel is retarded. I just proved, and the proof is right there if you rewind it to where this is updating, that if Fintel is retarded in updating the percentage. So I'm just not going to pay attention to that in the future. But yeah, institutions did load up. And today and tomorrow is the last day that institutions can file Q1 transactions for BioNano. So January 1st of 2021 to March 31st. This is the last day. Or not this is the last day. This and tomorrow. I'm 99% sure. Mara, no, it's the wrong way, buddy. It's the wrong way. Go up, not down. Man, everything is gone. Everything is gone. Man, nothing is really running, though. Skills is running. No, everything is kind of moving the same. Everything is moving the same amount. It's weird, very weird. We'll see what picks up. Everyone's kind of adding evenly. No one's really picking a winner except JMIA. JMIA's gone, especially. I'm sure. I mean, this is why it's gone. I didn't get my orders filled. That's why. Dang it! I wanted to. Did we? I think we streamed this in the pre-market when I was setting these orders. Dang it! We would have had such a nice day trade and swing trade if that would have. We already have one nice swing trade. We're already up on Mara in like, what, 10 minutes, 30 minutes? Why did the green ones not show the average price? That's because Fintel.io wants you to pay money, my friend. Upgrade to unlock premium data and export to Excel because it's dumb. Yeah, they want to help the hedges and the people that pay more. But no, I'm not nagging on Fintel.io, But yeah, the green rows are going to be new positions, right? The first time an institution has invested, and red rows indicate closed positions, so they are no longer in the stock if it's red. And pretty much everything is green. Pretty much everything is green, man. We have another million. We didn't even talk about this. Pura Vida just got 1 million shares added at 558. But look how many institutions got in at 558. Do you think it's a coincidence that the March 5th low was 558 for JMIA? Oh my gosh, JMIA, stop it. Stop going. You're going without me. I feel so bad. I feel so bad that I missed out JMIA. Oh, man. I can't schedule your upcoming videos for some reason. What do you mean, my friend? What do you mean? I'll help you out. What do you mean? You just go to my channel. You mean like set a reminder for them? So you just go to the home page and then you scroll down here and then upcoming live streams, then click on it and set your reminder. That's all you gotta do. I think that's your question. Let me know if I answered that or not. Anyways, Mara's still going. You can't panic sell, man. Do not panic sell. Do not panic sell, Mara. Just a quick little retracement there. Well, we didn't even get the retracement. Your next retracement into Mara, if you're looking to day trade with me, 2173 on the 1 minute though. But be careful, the 1 minute is not going to be as strong as the 5 minute, which the 5 minute retracement is all the way down to 2147. The 1 minute is at 2173. So Show us what's going on with BNGO, the orders. You mean the institutional orders? So it's bullish, man. We're going to go over this more tomorrow. But there's great stuff here. This is great. Well, here's the thing. No, it's not great. Yes, because the 13F SEC rule, it prevents institutions from filing first quarter transactions later than today and tomorrow. So we will know. I'm not going to say this is super bullish, but if it stays like it is, it's super bullish. But here's the thing: if BlackRock sold out all of their shares here, which I do think there's actually a high chance that they did, actually a reasonably high chance. We would know probably tomorrow or today or tomorrow. They would have to file it, and that's not necessarily true because there's so many goddamn contingencies because it's such a complicated little thing. We went over in yesterday's stream, but I actually went over the whole idea in the BNGO video. I went over that all in the BNGO institutions must file all quarter one transactions, right? I guess that one got a fair amount of views, so most of you probably saw that, but that one kind of explains what's going on with that. And I'll explain more on that during the live stream prior to the earnings, the earnings live stream. We're going to be streaming, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes, maybe an hour before actually earnings. There's so much stuff going on today, though. We may have to start the stream an hour before because there's so much to talk about, because there's a lot of stuff that we have not talked about. Messenger of the messenger don't lie. Did you see? Yeah. I need to ask her. I think it's her. If I can show her messages with Eric that she sent me, because I'm not about to go and show messages about I don't know, sensitive information, of course, that I'm not allowed to. But there is some bullish stuff. I think it's going to be good. I think earnings are going to be really nice. I think they will. So Mora is doing really nicely right now. Let's check the Nasdaq. Good. Wrong way. The amount of institutions that bought in at 558 is incredible and very manipulative. I'd like to be in the institution's secret Discord element. I'm penning your comment, Graham. That's so goddamn true. That's so true. Here's the thing, though, John. Here's the thing. You and I both know. You and I both know this for sure. All right. Everyone here knows that there's a very high chance that they got in at 558 at the low on March 5th. But technically, we don't have proof because technically they could have bought in all the way back here, right? Because this is still technically the first quarter. And then this is not the first quarter. So technically they could have bought in back here and just waited to file it, or much more likely, in my opinion, much more than a 50% chance, these institutions all got in right here and either are still holding or more likely they actually sold right here and they're going to file it the next few days. I'm actually kind of bearish on that because it makes so much sense for institutions to manipulate, get in at the low, swing it to a 100% gain almost 5 days later. Do you know how much money that is? I mean, we're talking about tens of millions of dollars. BlackRock, tripled, or not tripled, but they made like $30 million in 10 days on their buying in investment. Or they could be holding, if they are holding, and if we don't see a 13F from them in the next few days, and today or tomorrow, I am 99% sure, based on my calculations and knowledge here, they are still holding at least. They at least held during quarter one. They could have technically sold in quarter two because they don't have to file those for forever yet. But yeah, maybe that's a rant for you. I'm out of breath now at this point. All right. Skills, man. Skills is gone. MP is still slow. Bitcoin, here we go. Mara's going to go up a little bit more too. Bitcoin's been going up way too much and Mara's barely been following. Here we go, man. Here we go. Mara, this is the day trade of the century. I'm so excited because we never do day trades here. I am dying here. I was up 100K, now I'm 20K. So I'm syncing with you guys. I did not sell one single share. Oh man, you were not stupid. My friend, let me tell you something, my friend, and you know this, I'm sure, but for the people out there that are debating selling or, we're going to get a crash. If we do crash, that sucks, but what you want to do in the crash is buy. Do you know why? Because every single crash in history, people wish they bought the dip. And in the last COVID crash last year, the people who bought the dip halfway down and caught that falling knife, right? People called them stupid. People called them retards. People called them, you're leading your audience off a cliff. Plenty of YouTubers did that. If you would have held for a couple months, you would have been up hundreds of percentages if you were in high growth. Hundreds, easily. okay, if not more. If you're holding till today or February 16th, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Mora, Microvision, BioNano, any of these stocks you would have invested in them there, you would have been up thousands of percentages if you did those three. Oh my gosh, why am I so accurate on my Mora calls? Did I not just say this was going to go up more? It just went up another percent. Let's go. All right, when am I going to take profits on Mora? That's the question. We're up, what, 5% right now? It's a fairly big position. I mean, it's not a huge position. It's fairly big, though. Here's the thing. Let me check the Nasdaq. Let me see where we're about to get rejected at. We're probably right near. Okay, no, Nasdaq still has room to run, actually. Let me look at the small short-term indicators here. Okay, yeah, we're going to get rejected at 50%, at least short-term. That's where I'm going to take profits, I think, based on what I'm seeing right here. Oh my gosh, yeah, we're going to get rejected there, like 99%, at least short-term. Okay, finally, we finally, see, this is what's different about today. Okay, let me tell you guys. Wait a second. Dang it, never mind. Well, I guess it still is. All right, so what's different about today than yesterday and the day before that? We have a flip on the 30-minute SAR and Supertrend, which is very bullish, but we had a buy signal here. It was a true buy signal because you could have sold for a lot more, but it wasn't that good, right? Typically, when you get that flip, you want something like this red streak right here. Hopefully, we'll get one of those now. We'll see. But this is more bullish. Nasdaq is way more bullish right now. At least short term. Short term, I'm bullish on the Nasdaq to hit, 13.285. Realistically, that's the next significant level of resistance that I'm seeing. Okay, never mind. Ooh, never mind. The 200-day EMA on the 4-hourly is right there. I don't like that. That's a strong level. The 4-hourly 200-day EMA is not one to mess around with. Look at this, okay? We've got plenty of, look at that, okay? Perfect supports right there, man. I may have to take a little bit of profit on, 113.260. 260. Okay, so right about, I don't know, it doesn't actually, I can't actually see where, but somewhere up here. I'm going to have to take profits a little bit on Mora. Maybe. Hey, I'm down 122K at the moment. It's going to feel good when this turns green. Yes, it is. And if you are in doubt, if you don't know how to time the market, if you're not willing to risk everything for it like me, which is totally fine, totally cool, just hold through, go put some Lord of the Rings on and just forget about it. And just do the best. Do the best you can to forget about it. Trust me, one of these days, I promise you one of these days, whether it's going to be 1 month or 1 week or 5 years, right? I don't think it's going to be 5 years, but technically I have to say there's a chance because everyone will get mad at me if I don't, right? Oh, I thought we were going to go up in a week. Right? No, you're not guaranteed anything, but you will. I can 99% guarantee you'll be green again if you just hold where you are now. I don't care where you bought in, you will. The markets historically, you know what they do? They go straight up historically, right? And there's gonna be a few decades where the S&P goes down overall. Is that going to be starting now? I don't think so. Just don't check it every day. Yes, that's a good point as well. Yeah, I don't see the Nasdaq slowing down. I mean, as long as I'm not missing a significant level of resistance here, I don't think we have. Oh no. Okay, never mind. All right, phew. I thought the 21 SMA on the 4-hourly was right there as well. I was about to sell everything. All right, but yeah, no, the not sell everything. Okay, the only thing I'm trying to trade right now is Mora, and I would like to trade JMIA, but it's already ran up so much, so I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, the Nasdaq. So yeah, let's go back to the Nasdaq though. We really shouldn't be getting rejected here. If we're going to get rejected here, this is going to be just panic selling and profit taking. That's all it's going to be. So we'll see. We still got so much room to go. We're still way more oversold than overbought. We will see. Let me check the other things here. Okay, UVXY is down 13%. That's an amazing sign. That is amazing. Okay, the Nasdaq, based on this, the Nasdaq should be having plenty of room to go. Russell 2000 is absolutely killing it today. When the Nasdaq and Russell 2000 are beating the Dow and S&P, that's an amazing sign for us. It's an amazing sign. Skills holding up very nicely. Microvision, Nano Dimension move. Look at that chart. Exact same spark line there for Nano and Microvision. Very weird. EVs. Tesla getting killed. Look at that. This is just the very slightest Nasdaq sell-off and Tesla's gone. Tesla's dead. Like gone to the downside. ASXC, formerly TRXC. Pretty well today. Pretty good. Moving pretty well today. Bitcoin's still holding a little bit more. Is freaking out right now. Mora is freaking out now, giving me a little bit of stress. Come on now, girl. Come on. Chill out there. Oh, wow. We already broke the 1 minute retracement. Dang it. Here's your entry point, though. 5 minute retracement down at 21.55. Any suggestions of what stocks I should buy into? I don't know a lot. You sound like someone who's not fully into the crypto and not the crypto, but the whole stock world. So be careful. Please take what I say with a grain of salt. But here's the thing. Mora is in a great long-term buy zone. If you're bullish on Bitcoin, please do your due diligence before you invest, though. Mora's in a great buy zone. BioNano is probably going to beat on earnings today. If they don't, please don't kill me, but they could definitely go down 20% after earnings. This earnings is going to be very telling for the future, I think. But BioNano's in a great buy zone. JMIA's in a good buy zone, but maybe wait till you see a red day, or at least see a lower than 24 short term. Microvision, Nano Dimension, MP, those are all great ones. SENS is not bad if you like that. If you like the fundamentals, Zoma is not bad. These are all hyper growth, really risky plays. So the AGTC is in a buy zone. BIOL is really risky, and I don't like BIOL's price action right now. We're getting rejected at everything. The falling wedge pattern is a no-go. So this one could easily see 53 cents, actually, especially with the reverse split crap. This one could get delisted, bro. I hate to say it, but BIOL is they've got great potential, and their valuation is very low, but this one's technicals and news is looking awful. Oh, it's stormy. Oh, wait. Cooper Storm's in? Oh, yeah. Yeah, your dad has made so much on Microvision. Yes. It's crazy. He has made so much on that, man. Microvision is a good one. I made a killing on this as well. Yeah, look at that chart. Look at that clusterfuck chart. Yeah, it's in a descending triangle right now, though, but I don't see it hitting $9. Yeah, be careful getting in the markets though, Cooper. Make sure you know what you're doing before. I don't know if you're just messing around or whatever, but yeah, what's up, my friend? What's up? AMC at 12. AMC is at 12, really? Wait a second. Let me find it here. I'm gonna have to look it up if I can't find it. I know it's in here. We literally just saw it 5 seconds ago. Damn it. All right, AMC. Trades has been going crazy. Oh my. Trades was exactly right. Wow. Congratulations to the AMC gain. Wow. Congratulations. Cooper is hot. Hey man, what do you think about GameStop and AMC stocks? It's a good cause. There are some flaws in it, and if you're going to invest in them, please know what the hell you're doing. Because here's the thing, buddy. Institutions are up here. Institutions are shorting the hell out of this, and retail the Reddit group and trades group, people like that have really made a strong cause, and they really have fought these guys really hard. But right now, for AMC, you're about to get a double top potentially, right? Double top is about to happen, so be careful with that, my friends. I would say. Dang it, Mora, you're going the wrong way. Go up. What's the Nasdaq doing? Get up there, bitch. The short squeeze. Yeah, the short squeeze could happen. There's a ton. I don't even keep up with all the short interest crap, right? Gamma squeeze, the borrow rate, right? I don't even do that because none of our stocks have any crazy short interest, and I don't pay for the site that Trades does. So you guys know I hate paying money for investing resources. I believe you can do it without it. If you do it, that's fine too. But you are not into cryptocurrency branding. Oh, hell yes, I am. Not directly, but Mora is. Let's be honest, guys. I say this all the time. Mora is cryptocurrency. Come on. It is cryptocurrency. Come on. It basically is. Right? All right. Can you please take a look at NPPTF? I cannot right now. At the end, I'll take ticker requests. I'll tell you what. Does that sound fair, my friend? Does that sound fair? Well, right now we gotta watch the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is bleeding right now. Nasdaq. Okay, here we go. A little bit of bounce. I said this before. I'll say it again. I feel like I'm just repeating this. All these streams and videos is just me repeating myself, which is fine because it's good information. I think, at least. Who knows? That's for you to decide if it's good information. But the real first resistance we have here is going to be the next Fibonacci, which is going to be 13.285, 50% retracement. That's what it's going to be. So I feel like the Nasdaq is at least going to see that at some point today or tomorrow. You know, we could close the day right where we're at today, and then push tomorrow. But we don't have. I'm not seeing. Tell me if you guys are seeing some sort of strong resistance stopping us from getting there. I'm not seeing anything. I mean, on the let's see, the 4 hourly, we have the actually no. Yeah, that's right. We have the 200-day EMA on the 4 hourly. That is what I meant to say. Sorry. So 13.260, not 13.285. So that we could easily see either of those. I mean, we have the 5-day EMA. Who cares about the 5-day EMA? All right, that's not gonna do much, I think. But it's rejecting right now. We'll see what happens. But channel has been growing. Oh my gosh, dude! If BioNano goes to, if BioNano does what we think it's going to, it's gonna be over. The channel will be very well, but we need a good camera. We need a good camera, and we need better lighting. How is the lighting? Do you guys like the lighting better? I look pale as hell. I'm not this pale in real life. But yeah, the light. I don't know. I just mess with. This is not a. I don't know what I'm doing on the YouTube. Here's the thing. But the audio is damn good. Anyways, I go on a rant if there's anything not relating to stocks. Like if you ask me about Star Wars, yeah, we'll go on a rant about that. But anyways, Nasdaq is gone. Nasdaq is gone. By the way, quick plug, really quick. Everyone set your damn reminder for the BNGO earnings live. Set it. I'm wearing a suit. It's going to get serious. If BNGO goes to the moon, it's going to be the happiest day of my life. If we go to zero, the channel's going to die. Channel's going to die. We're going to get 1,000 dislikes. Everything's going to go to hell, which it's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting either way, so don't miss it. Set your reminder for that, boys. Just go to the channel, go to the upcoming live streams playlist on the home and mobile and desktop. It's basically the same thing. Let's check the futures here. UVXY is pushing a little bit. Hate to see that. When is it going to be? All right, so here we go. I'm repeating this for the third time, which is cool. I understand not everyone can watch the whole stream. I would get bored with myself if I watched even half of it, okay? But it's going to be after hours, 30 minutes after hours, right after the market closes. That's when the earnings is going to be. So 3:30 Central Time, 4:30 Eastern, 2:30 Mountain, and 1:30 Pacific. How many hours left? So it's going to be, let's see, like 6, 7, 8 hours. I'm sorry, my math is bad. Don't ask me math questions like that, man. Don't ask me math. I'm not good at math. I don't like algebra. Okay, so Mara is seeing a little bit of a bounce. Did it hit that Bollinger Band? I don't think it did. Okay, it did. All right, so there's your entry point. We already talked about, man, why are my calls perfect today? We need to do more day trading. I need to start actually investing off of these little predictions. Like I'm so conservative, but it's better to be conservative. Please don't get cocky. Don't get cocky when you make a couple good calls, okay? I get too cocky when I'm on stream, all right? You guys can already tell. Sometimes my arrogance is just like through the roof. I try to suppress it pretty well, but sometimes it's a GG. All right. Man, JMIA, man, I really wish, I'm not trying to beat myself up after, one little miss, but I said during the stream, I was literally saying this is probably going to run today. I feel like I should move my buy limits up. But here's the thing that stopped me from doing that was a good one because it was the damn Nasdaq that was playing with our feelings. What was it doing? It was, it literally, it opened the day getting rejected here, and then we just slowly broke through. It's like, what the heck kind of price action is that? And I realized, and I've said this a couple times, sometimes the Nasdaq is just weird. Sometimes stocks are weird, and they do this. They close 2 days below the resistance or whatever you're breaking down or breaking out of, and then they go up the next day. It's like, what? It's like, what is this? What is this? Yeah, it's 30 minutes after close. Hope that understands. Yeah, 6 hours from now. Yeah, I think we have good earnings today. I think there's a chance we will rocket above 558 because other institutions will jump in at a lower price. Dude, I'm not trying to hype y'all up, and I probably am, regardless of how many disclaimers I give. But BioNano's earnings today literally could be the thing that sends us to the moon or sends us to sends us into a garbage can that's on fire. It could be either. It's going to be crazy. I think. Or it could be boring, which it is going to be a little bit boring. Some of it, at least. I mean, it's an earnings call, right? I mean, you're telling me you don't get bored at all during an earnings call? I do a little bit, at least, So it looks like the Nasdaq is really just consolidating here, up for getting ready for a new next run, next layup here. Let's look at the short-term indicators.
So we already broke the 5-minute retracement, or the 1-minute retracement, excuse me. The 5-minute retracement is way down there. Okay, so right now the Nasdaq needs to go sideways so we can get that Bollinger Band, the 21 SMA on the 5-minute to get up there, get a bounce off that, then break this resistance. And this is actually a good chart that we can leave. We can actually leave this chart up here because we got the here. Let me put a horizontal resistance where the what do you call it, the 4 hourly EMA is. So it's, I believe, if I remember correctly, it's at 265. Let me double check that to make sure we're not doing false information here. 13260. All right. 13260. So this needs to be changed to 1360 flat. All right, so right, let's get that perfect. Come on, there we go, perfect. All right, so that's the 200-day EMA on the 4 hourly roughly. So let's see what happens. You need a merch shirt or cup in hand, or cup with a garbage can on fire. Yeah, man. If we have any graphic designers in here, you're probably better than I am. So please, if you want to send me your design, you can. Just like if you want to do it, if you want to help me out, if you have a cool design idea, hit me up if you want. Email. Do y'all even know my email? I feel like everyone knows it, but you don't. But people ask me all the time. It's in the description. All my links, social media, Patreon, merch, website, everything is in the description. Please use that to your advantage. Most of those are free investing resources that will make your investing more auspicious, I think, at least. BNGO is hanging but not doing anything. Yeah. Yep. Mara is doing something though. It is not going the right way. BNG, oh man, it's about to confirm the breakdown. All right, I'm going to take a little bit of profit here. I'm going to take a little bit of profit, and this is just to take a little bit of risk off the table. I'm going to sell, what is that, 10 shares? Yeah, I'm going to sell 10 shares. Right, if we test that 21 SMA on the 5-minute again, there's a little bit of profit because we are getting really close to my cost average. And this is a stock. This is not necessarily I mean, it could be a day trade. I guess it kind of has. I guess it already has been a day trade for me. But this is a great long-term entry point. But the thing is, the Nasdaq is looking really bullish right now. But there's a lot of contingencies right now. So yeah. Plus, we're trying to spice the stream up by doing day trades. Come on now. Day trading is fun. Come on, it gives a little bit more interest. I think it does. Who knows? All right, what other questions y'all have? All right, we're getting to that point where it's like, all right, we covered everything. Everything's kind of going sideways. The market's typically like 30 minutes to an hour after the market opens. It's like, just not that much crazy stuff going on. Also, today has been really fun, but really nothing is running. Oxygen was at 6%. Oxygen is doing horrible now. Nothing is running. Skills is the only thing that's even close to it. Yeah, nothing is doing anything. Can you show us, please, in Webull, the orders and the BIOLs to BNGO to see if the bears are winning again? I guarantee you they are winning, because when BioNano is up, the bears are winning. When BioNano is down, the bulls are winning. So 520 as far as in regards to okay, wow, I was almost wrong. So basically 148K, 148,000 shares to be sold, the buy limits up to 522, and then 132,000 up to down to 445 for the bulls. So the bears are winning barely, but honestly, look at the walls here. I mean, we got 14K buy while 4.8. So who knows? Short interest for BioNano. I don't think they updated this. I just checked this other day. Yeah, they haven't updated this. So the BNGO short interest, it increased 1.5% from the last. It increased 1.5% on the 15th of April from March 31st, I believe. And I read that in an article. I don't actually know if that's correct. So, I mean, it looks like it would make sense. I mean, look at that. Okay, it's barely an increase, right? But so there you go. So this is how many. If you don't understand short interest, this chart right here on the right. This is how many shares of the shares outstanding have been shorted, and not covered yet. Gosh dang it, Mara. Stop it. You're going the wrong way. Bitcoin is going up. Why are you going down? Mara's weird like that, man. Mara is good, though. Mara is awesome. It's a love-hate relationship with Mara. All All right, what else do we got? All right, so I'm going to take this time, since there's just not much action going on right now, I think I'm going to just remind everybody about a couple things. Most of you have seen this already. I'll only talk about the real stuff because people need to know this, because no one else is saying this. Job numbers will not be good until pandemic is over. That's what a lot of people are saying. And I want everyone to know, if the job numbers, right, the 266K job number, 1 million were expected, right? If we continue to get bad job numbers, that is actually a good thing short term for the markets, because that means the Fed is going to keep interest rates low, keep the accommodative economic policy, right? All that crap, right? Transitory inflation, right? The JP talking, right? JP, I cannot stand when that man speaks. But anyways, you probably can't spin how I speak. Okay, so that's for you to decide. But anyways, I go on rants. Basically, we want job numbers to be bad, and that's actually going to be a catalyst for high growth to get interest and get a transition from recovery and crypto and Doge to the moon, man, back into high growth that actually has, some reasoning behind it, if you will. So that is something you all need to know. The oil thing, we're going to be going over all this other crap later. I would probably say most people know what is going on at this point. So I think that's actually all we have. That's actually all we have today. There's nothing on the economic calendar really happened. That's crazy that we haven't really talked about, I don't think. So yeah, federal budget. Gosh dang, how are they ever going to stop spending money? Nope. What other questions y'all got? I'm going to end the stream very soon. What other questions do you have? Send me your amazing questions about any stock right now, and requested tickers. I will do requested tickers, any requested stocks for TA and thoughts, if there's no good questions. And I'll also do that at the end. I'll do the ticker request at the end as well, because I haven't done that in a while. But it's not really efficient. I don't really like the whole ticker request, because it's like, oh, can you do technical analysis real quick on this? I don't know anything about the company, so it's not that accurate, I feel like. ABEO. All right, so there's no other questions, so we'll just go ahead and do it until there's some questions here. If there is, if anyone cares what I have to say. Are you streaming through to BNGO ER? Take a lunch break and come back while market trades tabs. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I cannot stream all day. I cannot do it, but that's a good idea. I'm glad you want to see me stream all day. That's amazing. I'll tell you what, Mr. Mr. L. I'll tell you what, everyone listen to this. I will be streaming through the market close into BNGO earnings report probably. So I'm going to have it. So I'm not going to do another stream just to keep it simple. But if we go to the channel here, this BNGO ER live stream, right? The earnings report live stream, right here, BNGO earnings live. This is going to start right now. I have it scheduled for right when the market, 5 minutes before the market closes. I'm going to ask, you know what, let's just go ahead and change this right here on air, because I guess this might be interesting for you guys to see behind the scenes. Let's just change this to be, I don't know, we'll change it to, we'll do, what should we do, 2:30? Let's do 2:30 for now. 2:30 for now. So that's what we'll do. So we will be talking about the market close before the BNGO earnings even come up. But taking a look at ABEO, if there are no other good questions, how much wood can a woodchuck chuckle? Be sure you have your place in line on the earnings call. Yeah, it's really easy to have your. I think all you have to do is literally. What do you have to do here? I already got it. Yeah, I'll figure that out later. Yeah, thank you, Vaughn. Everything will be good. I already went in there and made sure everything was good for the spot for the webcast and everything. The webcast starts at let me see. Wait, let me just see when the webcast starts to make sure. Yeah, so yeah, it's right here. So this is it. I have my audio turned down so you won't be able to hear this. All right, good. I don't want you to hear this crappy music they have playing. Yeah, so this is the webcast right here they're going to do. All right. And yeah, we'll be set up. We will be set up. So yeah, starts, when does it say it? It doesn't say it. Okay, so 3:30. So yeah, this is when it starts. 3:30. This is when the earnings starts. 3:30 p.m. Central Time. So yeah, we'll be good. We'll be in there. Everything's set up, man. We will do it. 3:30 Central. 3:30 Central, my friend. I believe. Yes, this is in Central Time. Yeah, let me make sure. Yeah, so it is. Okay. Yeah, so 4:30 Eastern Time, 3:30 Central Time. 3:30. Any concern with chip shortage affecting BNGO? That's a good question. I'll tell you this: if BNGO, if the chip shortage starts affecting BNGO, if we get to that point, everything else that is in remotely correlation to chip shortage and going down because of it, they will get hit way harder than BNGO. I don't think that's going to be a huge problem for BNGO. But yeah, MP, thanks, man. I'll see you later, my friend. I'll see you later. Can you check? Okay. All right. All right, man. Yeah, I'll see you guys there. Yeah, if you want to leave now, I guess that's cool because we're going to do requested tickers and then whatever other questions you have. So ABEO, this is the first one we got. So really quickly, 30-second technical analysis. I don't really like this setup particularly. This looks like a really news-driven company based on the crazy spikes we have here. Taking a look at the RSI, you're going to be a little bit oversold. Bollinger Bands, you're closer to the bottom than the top. This is just every other stock. There's nothing interesting here. And I really don't like that you're not in a bull market. You're literally in a downtrend macroscopically. Very scary one here. On the weekly, you have the flips. Daily, you have the flip. Oh, man. On the 4-hourly, you have the SAR flipping. I like that, but you need to break that super trend there for me to have any sort of confidence on that. Anyways, next up, what do we got? 5:30 a.m. Japan time. Averages 776 and still holding. Legend. Legend there. Legend for hodling. You are going to be, I think the people who hodl BNGO at a higher cost basis, they're going to have not only a great story to tell for the rest of their lives, that's very, very wisdom inducing, but also you're just a legend for doing that and doing your due diligence and being a convicted, being a trader with conviction, being convicted. All right. Nasdaq is turning down again. Not really. Not really. What do you mean? What are you talking about? We're consolidating. A little bit of bull pennant going on here. Let's look at the technicals for the Nasdaq. All right. Yeah, we're not going down that much. What are you talking about, man? We're talking about, my friend. It's consolidating. Let's draw up a trend line here. Yeah, we got a little bit of a bull pennant going on right here. In a way, I mean, not really, but this is, this is not a normal symmetrical triangle bull pennant, but I mean, actually, technically, it's a falling wedge. Technically, this is a falling wedge, but I'm not really betting on that as the price target is not. I don't know about this, but it would actually be really. It would almost be a perfect level. It would basically be perfect congruency if we were to break out right about here with that 13.260 resistance, and that's going to be the 4-hourly 200 EMA. All right, so unless you guys have send me your great questions now. We're done covering our stocks pretty much, unless there's something crazy, which can always happen. But send me but now I'm going to take great questions, any question, and requested tickers. And the next one I got was SYSX. I'm going to do them in order. I'm going to try not to pick and choose if I don't have to. SYSX. Really quickly, 30-second technical analysis. All right, so it looks like it just got killed with the market open for some reason. That's really weird. Okay, so it's an OTC. All right, this is not my. This is okay. You're in a bull market macroscopically. I like that. You just got those golden crosses, 13 EMA or 15 EMA with the 55 and the 200 EMA. You've had that cross for a while. I like that. Your retracement is going to be pretty bad though. Okay, never mind. Your retracement is right now on the daily. Wow, I'm actually really surprised by that. Your retracement is right now on the 21 SMA. On the weekly, however, your retracement is way down there, but that's why the weekly is not that great, right? Like really, you're going to go all the way down to what? $2.24, lose 60% of your value from here. I don't know about that, but yeah, but it looks like this company has had crazy news in the last few weeks here. But yeah, that's all I'll say about this one. Next up, what do we got? Neptune Digital. I don't know the ticker. I'll type it in and hope it comes up here. All right, NDA. I hope this is right. Tell me if this is wrong, because I'm gonna cover it anyway. Having all this stuff up here, I mean, most of this stuff does not even do it. I don't need a freaking trade widget here. I literally can just right click and do it this way. So many people use the little fancy widgets here. It just makes it harder to see what's going on, right? Even this one is a little much, honestly. I'm just doing this today. See if you guys like it better. All right, so for this one, wow, this is a weird one. Wow. All right. Wow, this thing just IPO'd. All right, here, dang it, my indicator screwed up. No, I hate when this happens. No, I don't want to have to fix this on air. No. Oh, this is going to take a little bit. All right, MACD is the last one. I got to get on there again. Where is it? MACD, where are you? Come on, I need the Matty. There we go. All right, done. All right, let me check the Bollinger Bands. Retrace. Oh wow, all right, I like that. You just bounced off the daily. Oh, see, you see my settings got screwed up because this one, for some reason, this one screwed my settings up. Now my deviation, the Bollinger Bands deviation, changed back to default. See, you gotta be careful with the settings you set, and the default settings crap. You are closer to that Bollinger Band on the outside, much more upside to go from here. Our side is gonna be pretty oversold. I don't like this setup though. There's nothing interesting about the stock, so I don't know. I don't know. See, I'm just looking. I'm 30-second technical analysis. My settings are screwed up. I have the 5 and oh my god, I hate when that happens. Anyways, what else? BNGO about to go red. The markets, BNGO people you get scared so much when the Nasdaq barely goes down. It's so funny sometimes. Yeah, I'm gonna add BNGO if we go red. I kind of secretly I want BNGO to go red right now. I'm gonna be honest with you, because I only have like 800 shares or 600 shares right now. So I want to get that back up to like 1,000 before the earnings. Most likely, please don't invest in BNGO just before earnings, because I could be totally wrong. Can you let me know about the short interest on CRCT? Oh boy, we've got too many. Oh man, I feel bad for picking and choosing at this point, so I kind of just want to end it right now. Oh my gosh. All right, really quickly. Where is freaking, do I even have ASXC in here? Might have to look it up again and screw my settings maybe. Okay, here we go. So this one, this is actually an interesting company. Wow, it's gotten killed even more than I thought. Wow. All right, I actually think this might be an auspicious buy right now, honestly. Wow. You're not even close to that. All right. Death crossing. You've got death crossing on the daily. That is not good at all. Bearish territory there. The 200 MA SMA is propping you up, but that's be careful with this one, man. You are in a buy zone though, kind of fundamentally wise, I would say. I do know a little bit about this company, not a ton though. So that's what I'll say for this one. Oh man. CRCT. Sorry, my eyes suck. That's why I'm squinting all the time. I can't even see 2 feet away from me, and I have contacts. All right. Okay, wow, I really like that you just bounced off the 200-day EMA. That is your buy point right there. Supertrend here. Ooh, just got the bearish flip there. Let's look at the 4-hourly. It's not looking good. Ooh, you don't really have any signs of reversal yet, my friend, but you did bounce off that 200 EMA, which I like. If we look at the bands here, if we look at the 4-hourly, yeah, there's not really anything I can say about this. There's no chart patterns. There's nothing here. I mean, I guess you have a very modified head and shoulders there, maybe, and the neckline is kind of right where you are right there. I don't know. That's kind of what I'll say with that one. Oh yeah, and you were asking about the short interest, right? So short. Oh wow. So I don't know what the float is here, but or the shares outstanding, but the 410,000. The short interest has been basically doubling each 15 days. So that's something to keep in mind. Interesting. BNGO red. No, it's not. What are you talking about? No, I see what you mean, but yeah, it's about to go red. Yeah, man, I'm not. I want it to go red. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I want it to go red. I want it to go red short term at least. GNOG. Oh man. Inuvo GNOG. Yeah, did I say I wanted to go 474? I don't remember that. But it is a good buy zone though. So yeah, I might add off stream here in a little bit. But yeah, Mora is not being a good girl right now. Mora is below my cost average now. Day trade gone wrong, but I did take a little bit of profit, only a few shares, but this is a long term, man. This is a long term one for Mora, easily. This is one that I want it to stay down here so I can get a huge position. So yeah. Anyways. All right, I think we're gonna do some quick plugs and get out of here. All right, so ending the stream here, I think the Nasdaq will either stay above 1%. Worst case, probably if we're gonna hold the level. Who knows if we're gonna hold the level? But we are confirming the breakout of that ascending resistance now. If you consider the confirmed breakout before, that should be supporting us, and we don't have any major resistance until 13,260. So BNGO red and Nasdaq green. I said this is going anywhere for. I said this is going anywhere for now other than down. I can't really understand your comments, so it's because it's so I don't really understand, but probably we'll see 3 as you said, Brandon. Thanks, bro. Come on. Why don't you say this, dude? Here's the thing. I no disrespect to you, Marco, my friend, but where were you when BIOL was up 3% this morning? Every bear, all bears. I'm not prejudiced against bears, right? I hate most of them, but they only will make predictions when they're doing right. Like, just stay consistent, man. Stay consistent. I'm not trying to harp on you, but I'm just telling you, next time you make a bearish prediction, keep saying it when we're going green, so it's so everyone can know, right? Because I don't know if you said that. I don't remember that. You know how many comments I get, my friend? If you would have said it earlier in the stream, then I would be like, okay, good job, good call. But you just said it now. It's like, really? And I disagree with you totally. Seeing 3, the only way we see 3 is if you're about to assassinate the CEO and shoot him in the head. The CEO gets shot in the head. So, yeah, man. So, all right, boys. I think we're gonna end it. I don't think we're seeing 3. It would take something crazy to see 3. Is Bitcoin dumping right now? It kind of is. Yeah, man. All right. So yeah, boys, we're gonna end it. I'm not gonna take any more requests. I'm sorry. GNOG and some other ones I didn't cover. I'm sorry, my friends. I'm sorry. I'm gonna be honest with you. My ass is sore and I'm hungry as hell. So yeah, we're gonna end the stream here. I'm gonna do some quick plugs and then, oh no, Ryan, no, my friend, I'm sorry, my friend. We're streaming today. All right, before I do the quick plugs, this is actually really relevant. Okay, go to my channel here. I want everyone. CEO scared of Robbie. My friend, you're too funny. You're making me die of laughing. Is that ear rape? Did I just ear rape y'all? I'm sorry if I did, but that's too funny. Anyways, everyone set your reminder for the BNGO earnings, man. Everyone say it. Please do it. I love the other YouTubers. I love the other BNGO YouTubers. You're going to have 3 options on your feed probably if you subscribe to all of us, but pick us. I'm going to be wearing a suit. We're going to be covering it. No asking for likes, right? No disrespect to them. Not that there's anything wrong with that. We don't waste your time intentionally, right? We don't waste your time intentionally. When we ask for likes, we do it after we say this, so also we have the best audio. We have the best audio and we have the best personality and community out of all the YouTubers. All right. No, I'm getting too arrogant at this point. I'm sorry. But thank y'all so much, man. I hope to see y'all on our stream. If not, I understand, right? The other 2 YouTubers have been doing it way longer than I have for YouTube. So I understand it, but yeah, when will we go live today? Right now it's scheduled for 2:30 Central Time, so 30 minutes before the market closes. That's when the BNGO earnings report live stream will start. And the actual BNGO earnings report will start 30 minutes after close. So we are going to be streaming this an hour before the actual thing starts. So I'm going to be tired as hell, and earnings is going to go on probably for, I don't know, at least 30 minutes. They typically go on some of them go on hours. So we'll see. It's going to be fun. I want to see everyone there. It's going to be a great time. My friends. All right. Anyways, last call for any questions. And then we're going to do relevant information in regards to title has finished now. So earnings, you already know about that. Okay. That was for yesterday. Upgrades are on the way. Camera, lighting, monitor, better audio. I think the audio is pretty much perfect now. Mostly at least, but all those things are going to be happening. The revenue from YouTube, it's finally there's a little bit of revenue now. It's more than pennies, so I'm going to be getting that stuff. I mean, we already got the pop filter. The lighting is a little better. I'm going to get a monitor, and the camera is a thing that's taking my brain cells away right now. That's the hard thing because I don't know. There's so many different recommendations. They're all $1,000. The good ones, the DSLR, or if I want to get wet, the DSLR, the actual camera that's actually good. It's not convenient. It's like the SD card, you got to replace it. You got to get reoccurring payments. It's like, so I kind of just want to do a webcam, even though the FPS is not going to be good. The FPS right now sucks. I mean, this is why I need a webcam, right? Look at this, okay? Look at that, okay? The FPS is horrible, right? So I don't know. Get a GoPro. So yeah, all those upgrades are going to be coming. So yeah. Yeah, and current positions, I'm sorry, boys, yesterday, the goddamn government final, man, took forever. I wasn't able to, that's my excuse for this. Hopefully we'll get it done today. I hope, no promises though, because I'm trying to get like 5 videos out a day or more. and finals on all this crap. So hopefully we'll be able to update the current positions. If not, we'll get it done eventually. I'll get the price charts. If anything, I won't update this. I'll just say, for transparency's sake, my accuracy is horrible because it is after the missed maintenance price charts, and I'll just make new ones. I'll just copy and paste this stuff, just move it down here, and make a new one at the top or something. So yeah. I think that's it. And thumbnails. I think I'm going to do a poll. Actually, you know what? Should we do a poll right now? Should I show you guys how I make a poll? Should we do that? Actually, I think that's a little boring. Most of you don't care. How are your grades? They're good, my friend. They're good. But yeah, do you all like the thumbnails? Tell me, give me your improvement ideas for the channel. Are the thumbnails good? Can I improve them? Give me the harsh truth. Don't tell me it's good for my feelings. Tell me they suck and how I can improve them if that's what you think, because that's what I want. I want negative feedback. Anyways, that's it, boys. All right, thank you for anyone who watched this all the way through, or even more than 10 minutes. Thank you, my friend. I thought you were a bad student. I am a bad student. I'm a very bad student, but I get good grades, or at least right now I have good grades. So, yeah. Yeah, yes, I am a bad student. Absolutely. 100%. I wonder if anyone has a screenshot of the March 5th 558 wall. Oh, man, that's a good question. That's a good... Does anyone have that by any chance? I don't think anyone does at this point. If Brandon gets F... What? All right, boys, I'm going to end it. I recommend doing Chris saying thumbnails. Really? Really? Okay, I don't really know. I don't know exactly. I don't have the picture of that exactly in my head, but I think I have an idea, and that is surprising to me, actually. But all right, I'll give that a look. See if I want to change that. But thank you for the suggestion. All right, anyways, guys, this is not financial advice. Last question, last 5 seconds for you to ask a question. I'm ending it. This is not financial advice. Thank y'all so much, man. Say your reminder. Say your reminder for the strings. Last check on the stock. See how we're doing. Everything is green. Everything is recovering. Gosh dang it. Every time the market starts running, that's when we end. I swear, every single time. It's good, though, because after this stream, everything will be green, right? And we won't be able to talk about it. But anyways, all right, man. Thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for being here. All right, I want to see you on the earnings stream today. I will see y'all. I love you so much. See y'all in the next one.